Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this simple question but tricky one. We will solve it with PEMDAS. Our question is 5 plus 3 into parenthesis 2 plus 1 whole square minus 4. So first we will solve for this parenthesis. Now our equation will be 5 plus 3 into 2 plus 3. Okay, 2 plus 3 which is 3. Now square minus 4. In the next step we will do the exponential part. Okay, then 5 plus 3 into 3 square, that is 3 times 3 which is 9. So here 9 minus 4, this will become 9. Now in the next step we have to multiply this one. 9 times 3 which is 27 and minus 4. Now what will be the answer? 5 plus 27 which is 32 minus 4. So right answer will be 32 minus 4 which is 28. So 28 is the right answer. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe us and check out our best products in the description. Thanks for watching.